Sarura Kids.
Hi Trimo, how are you today?
Hi, Ndawana. I'm doing great, thank you. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
What are you reading there, Ndawana?
Yes, so I am reading this book. It's called Let's Learn Basic Ndebele. Would you like me to read it to you? After all, today is World Read to Me Day and I love reading.
And I love having books read to me.
Okay, so come here and I will read to you some words. I'll read you some body parts. Head is ikhanda. Ikhanda.
Ikanda.
Well done. Hair is inwele. Inwele.
Inwele.
Eyes are amehlo. Amehlo.
Amehlo.
Nose is amakhala. Amakhala.
Amakhala.
We can also read some person. So we'll go to person. A few more words. Father or dad is ubaba. Ubaba.
Ubaba.
Mom or mother is umama. Umama.
Umama.
Baby or child is umntwana. Umntwana.
Umntwana. Wow, that was amazing, Ndawana. Ndebele is a beautiful language. Can you teach me more words in Ndebele?
Yeah, sure, I can teach you more. But if you want to learn more Ndebele, go to our YouTube channel, Ndawana and Friends, and you can watch more videos where you can learn Ndawana and Friends, Ndebele, Shona, and all the other languages that we have on there. Do you know another favorite of my stories is found in the book called Donhodzo Rezororo? And it's Titi Mwana Wevarozhi. I hope Gogo can read us that story.
Yes, please.
Tsitsi mwana wavaruzvi. Tsitsi akange akasuwa kuchikoro kwake kwaiva nevana vakawanda, asi hapana akanga akafanana naye. Izvi zvaimukonzera kuti asagutsikane mumwoyo make. Tsitsi aiona mifananidzo paTV. Hapana munhu waaiona akafanana naye. Izvi zvakamukonzera kuti avhunze kuti vanhu vakafanana naye vaivepi. Rimwe zuva Tsitsi aitamba panze. Akasangana nemasvosve achitakura chikafu achienda nacho kumba kwawo. Izvi zvakanakidza Tsitsi. Tsitsi aifungidzira kuti masvosve ese akange akafanana. Dai vanhu vese vakafanana semasvosve, pamwe ndaizofarawo. Tsitsi aitaura achifunga zvake. Rimwe ramasvosve rakamira rikamudaidza. Tsitsi, Tsitsi wakazonaka. Isu tinogara tichikuona tichifarira runako rwako rwakasiyana nevamwe.
Gogo, what happens next? What happens next?
Well, Trimo Muzukuru, did you tell your friends that they can hear the rest of this story on Sarura Kids YouTube channel? They should look for Tsitsi mwana wevarozvi. Thank you, try more. Goodbye.
Wow, thank you, Gogo. That was a good story. Did you enjoy it? Try more?
Yes, I did. Thank you so much for reading to me, Ndawana and Gogo. I've had the best read to me day with you ever.
If you want to hear the rest of the story, then you can find it on Sarura Kids YouTube channel. It's a lovely story and I know you'll enjoy it.
Thanks
you
for watching. Thanks for watching this video, friends. We love books and we love reading them every day of the year. Books are exciting and there are so many books to choose from all over the world. Why not check out a book today? We read books out loud on Sarura Kids YouTube channel. Come and check them out with us today.